Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to leave a group on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on Facebook app. Okay, and tap on groups option. Just click and show your all groups. Okay, then tap on this group, any group, and just click on join it option and tap on leave group. Just click, then leave a group. That's all. Leave a group on Facebook. Okay, then try another group. Okay, then BD cards, click, tap on join it and tap on leave group. Click. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.